Check it out, guys. So we just got here at our suite in Philadelphia. We're staying at the Mainstays Hotel here in Horsham. So we're just north of Philly, about 20 minutes north of Philadelphia. And this is what the suite looks like. Pretty nice. Looks like it's renovated. Got a full-length mirror right here. I'll show you guys the bathroom shortly. Over here we got kitchen, or the kitchenette area. Comes with a fridge, full-size microwave. We have a small stove here and a dishwasher. So this is what the bathroom looks like. Nice full-length mirror. Got a shower over here, standing shower. Everything you need.
The next day.
Check it out, guys. We're down here in Philadelphia, downtown right now. Just checking out the visitor center and checking out all the tourist attractions down in the center of the city. And we're at Avenue of our Founders, which is Market Street and 6th Street. Let's show you guys around and see what Philadelphia has to offer. So this is also where you get like carriage rides, guys, horse and carriage, or the big bus tours, which we will check that out tomorrow. And we're now gonna head towards the Liberty Bell and show you guys what's up. Gotta get searched to get in here. So here's the Liberty Bell, guys. Making our way down Chestnut Street right now. Just trying to head to a gift shop to get some items. We just passed the Benjamin Franklin House and the National Liberty Museum. Over here we have the Museum of the American Revolution. Check out this depiction of Nelson Mandela in prison. So he spent 26 years in prison sticking to his truth. They did a depiction here at the National Liberty Museum in Philadelphia. Pretty cool. Freedom is not free.